For the second and final time this weekend, we're about to go racing in London. All 5 lights are on, and we go green in London. Bit of an aggressive mood here from Sam Bird, trying to get past Norman Natto and up into the top 10.
Really unfortunate for Sam. Great progress coming from the back of the grid to a points position, potentially. This one's going to hurt a bit, but we regroup. We'll come back stronger in Berlin. Sam's now 3rd position in the Drivers' Championship. It's all still to fight for.
And there's the attack from Mitch Evans up the inside of Gunter coming into turn 1. So Evans makes his way up into 6th position.
Obviously super happy. It was a bizarre race. You know, I was on, at one stage I actually thought I was out of the race after I made a move on Gunter and I damaged my front wing. We needed a good result today. Obviously I was hoping for a win.
Evans dummies him coming into turn 10. Beautiful stuff from Mitch Evans.
The 3rd is great. We're in the hunt and we'll go into Berlin fighting.